What's up, everyone? It's your boy, the Script Legend, here bringing you guys another YouTube video on EverGrow Coin. First, leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we are going to go over why EverGrow Coin may not be done dipping right now, just yet. But EverGrow Coin is currently sitting at 60720607, and the market cap is at $342 million. And when we look at the number of holders, the numbers has gone up very slow, a very small amount. Went to 132,403, which is not a huge number, but it's not a bad number either. We look at the trading volume, and that's currently sitting at $600,000, even though the current trading volume of crypto is up to 137 billion. And good news about crypto in general, the market cap is at $1.7 trillion. We're almost back up to 2 trillion, but like I said, there could be another couple panic sales in the next couple of days or whatever. But why is EverGrow Coin's trading volume not up while the trading volume of crypto is up? If you look at the dominance of Bitcoin, it is surpassing everybody right now. They're at 39.8% in dominance, and then you see Ethereum is down to 16.7% in dominance. So a lot of money is going to Bitcoin right now, and there's less money going to Ethereum, which means there's less money coming to altcoins. But the good news is that means that 500K at least, which $533,000 is in DEX exchanges. So that's actually being contributed to our pockets. That if you're on a DEX exchange, that's going to your rewards pockets. And the Team Dev wallet has $20,000 of BUSD worth in their wallet. And when we come over to Discord to look at the changes in wallets, you'll see that nobody above 50 billion to 100 billion sold to zero. One person in the 20 to 50 billion sold to zero. One in the 10 to 20 billion sold to zero. And 3 in the 5 to 10 billion sold to zero. But we see positive changes though in every wallet except the 20 to 50 billion range, which basically means that people are not necessarily buying. There's not new wallets coming in, but people are adding to their current wallets, which is a great thing. The current average holding of EverGrow Coin in people's wallets is now down to 3,126,399,487.69 EverGrow Coin. And the current total of EverGrow Coin, the current circulating supply of EverGrow Coin is now at 474,938,383,550,538 EverGrow Coin with 1,255 wallets holding less than 1 EGC. And as far as updates with CRATOR and NFT marketplace goes, no updates. No updates as far as the NFT marketplace goes. No updates as far as CRATOR goes. They did. I want to say no updates as far as the play to earn. As far as the staking pool goes. But they keep saying it only takes 2 days to make the staking pool, so they're not even worried about it. So okay, they don't worry. They're not worried about the staking pool. And then you got the play to earn game, and we still have no update on that. But that's just me being upfront. That's supposed to be coming out in Q1, so we could maybe see that in March or February. Can you see? Oh, this is what EverGrow Paul said. Can you make sure to follow Ever Community? Let's get some traction under this new account made for the community, ran by the community. We will be able to take DM questions from people who are not on our socials and get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, which is cool. I like that. It's a lot more what's the word for it, user friendly for people that, rather than using web pages, because web pages are a little too professional and a little too technical. So it's like, oh yeah, we're gonna get to you in 24 to 48 hours, and it's like, okay, yeah, but it's a website, so it doesn't really feel authentic. But when you text someone on Twitter and it feels like you're actually texting them, then that actually means a little bit more to the people that are actually interacting with it. And then EverGrow Coin also released that tweet as well, talking about go follow the Ever community. And then EverGrow Coin released a tweet, this is an hour ago. If you have any issues accessing our Telegram or Discord, the new Ever community support can help you get back in, even if you were previously banned, subject to the reason send them a DM. We don't want any EverGrow Army members to not feel connected to us. And then they left a whole bunch of heart emojis. And then they left there's some other stuff that EverGrow Coin's community was tweeting out, but nothing that I feel is too important in making this video. Now let's get to the Jim Cramer talk. Now, I don't know if y'all respect Jim Cramer, but this is just an article that is playing a role in the way the market is flowing. So this is important for people to at least have in the back of their mind as they are invested in crypto. Charts suggest the selling in Bitcoin and Ethereum may be over soon. That's what Jim Cramer says. Jim Cramer, if you guys aren't aware, he's on the web. He's on the news for CNBC, and he talks about the stock market and the crypto market and stuff like that. And a lot of people take his advice, which is why I say it's important to know what he's saying, because you will know and have some insight into the mind of what other people are thinking that are invested in crypto. But the chart suggests the selling is in the world's two largest cryptocurrencies may run its course soon. CNBC's Jim Cramer said Monday. When the charts, as interrupted by Tom DeMark, say that both Bitcoin and Ethereum could be looking at downside and trend exhaustion bottoms this week, if not today, I think you need to take him seriously, the Mad Money host said. That is Jim Cramer, for those who do not know. To me, that says it might be too late to sell and you need to consider buying. I know I am, especially if we get a final leg down, added Cramer, who personally owns some Ethereum, and he also previously owned some Bitcoin. Now, the rest of this stuff in this section is not important, but this part right here is a little bit important. While there's risk, Bitcoin's steep decline in recent weeks could cause structural damage to the cryptocurrency, Cramer says, betting that will not happen, just like Bitcoin's roughly 50% drawdown from April to June 2021 did prevent it from setting new highs in the fall. In fact, DeMark notes that Bitcoin's current angle of descent is identical to its 2021 plunge. In other words, there's a good chance that history continues to repeat itself. But this is when I say, and this is when I start saying, or you see why I said that Bitcoin could go back down some more, and that could mean that EverGrow Coin and other altcoins will go down along with it. We need 2 more negative closes before his buy trigger fires, said Cramer, who added that DeMark also would like to see Bitcoin test his downside price targets. If Monday's intraday turnaround ends up leading to only a brief rally, DeMark wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin getting hit with 2 or 3 panic sell climaxes, which could briefly take it all the way down to $26,355, Cramer said. Now, for those who are wondering, why would there be a panic sell if the market's going up? Because I think y'all should all be aware, or should know by now, that when the market goes back up after it's recovered, or a crypto price or any price goes back up after it's plummeted so much, people are like, okay, I'm just going to take what I have, or I'm going to take what little gains I have and get out of this. This is too stressful, aka panic sales. Those can happen a couple times, especially if while Bitcoin is and crypto are trying to go back up, there's another panic sale, and that's going to lead to even more people saying, all right, once this goes up 10%, I'm selling, and that's what causes these panic sales and stuff like that. But after a while, those people that are panic selling, usually the market will start going back up and stuff like that. We've seen that time and time again. Now on to Ethereum. Ethereum has already hit 13 on his buy countdown for the first time since the peak. That tells DeMark that we could be looking at a trend exhaustion bottom, Cramer said, noting that fortunately Ethereum also fell beneath DeMark's downside price projection of $2,434. Despite these positive technical indications, DeMark cautions that Ethereum may still fall further. If we get another panic breakdown, we could see Ethereum temporarily dipping to $1,859 and a selling climax, but that would be be your moment to buy, not sell, into the teeth of the panic, Kramer said. And that was the end of the article. But it doesn't mean that that crypto and EverGrow Coin is down and they're going to stay down. It just means that there could be an opportunity to buy more EverGrow Coin in the future with future panic sales, which is a reasonable and understandable expectation. And the other article was just someone stating that Odell Beckham invested $750,000 of his salary into Bitcoin, and now it's worth $423,000. So I mean, wait, $423,000. Okay, yeah, I said it right. Now, I mean, it's a dip. What else do you expect? He invested that back in November, guys. So that's why it dipped so hard, and that's why it's down so much. He got in at around the all-time high period. So once it breaks out again, though, it's going to break new all-time highs, and it's going to set a new support beam or whatever. Because remember, I don't know if y'all remember, but almost a year ago, a couple months ago, Bitcoin's supporting beam was $15,000. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. But I want to thank you guys all for watching. I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, if you have not, and also check out my previous videos. I mean, I made a cool video right here that YouTube feels like you guys would be interested in watching. But I feel like that video right over there is something that you guys should actually watch. This is my video from yesterday that explains some other stuff that's going on in the crypto market. But if you don't check out those two videos, like I said, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications too, so you figure out when I upload. Love you all. You have a blessed one. Stay safe. Script the Legend signing out. Peace.